In this video I'm going to go over how to replace a projector lamp in a 5030 UB. It's about a 3 generations old projector, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It should be relatively quick. I have about 2,899 hours on my current lamp. I would say it still has about 1,000 or so, maybe even more usable hours of probably even more. Even though I have been running it on high just to eke out as much brightness as I can. So I probably have been burning the wick at both ends towards the end of its life, but it's still relatively bright and I'm probably going to keep it around. Let's go ahead and install this thing and I'll show you how to do that now. I have about 2,899 hours on this lamp and it's still bright enough that I can watch stuff comfortably, but I'm going to change it anyway. So what I got here is a genuine Epson replacement lamp. It's model ELP LP69. I originally had bought like a third-party OEM lamp, and it was let's put it this way, it created like a weird, I don't want to like disparage the company or whatever. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people probably had good experiences with the OEM third-party providers of bowls, but so this is how it comes packaged. I have no idea what that is. Please sound off in the comments if you know what that is. I don't know. I know that I don't need that for my particular projector. And there's the spare lamp. So let's get this guy in. In your projector, there's going to be a little door underneath it, or on the, I guess on the top of it, and you're going to unscrew it with a Phillips screwdriver. And it should just pop out like that. Now you're kind of stuck with a hole. So it looks like there's a little clip here, so you're going to want to pull that down. Let's see if I can get that. There's the clip. I forgot to mention, you definitely want to unplug your projector before doing this. So there's a couple of Phillips screws in here that you're going to have to get out. I took a picture of them and I'll show you what they look like. So just take them out and then we're going to pull it out. So here, I think I can kind of show you. See, there's one of the screws right there. So you're going to want to unscrew them. There's another one on the other side. And we're going to start by doing that. All right, I screwed out the screws. The screws won't come out all the way. They kind of stay in the chassis, but I'm going to pull it out now. And there is the lamp right here. It's that simple. So let's compare it to the one I just bought. As you can see, the lamps look exactly the same. Same shape. There's the lamp itself. There's a little screen there, I guess, to pass air through it. As you can see. And that's like the power plug for it, which is in the same spot as the original. So definitely an OEM direct fit bulb. So let's get this one in. So here's the new one and there's the old one. As you can see, maybe new one looks a little brighter, the black. This one's a little grayer, maybe due to all the heat that's going through. You can see a little just kind of like bit of a coloration going on the little steel or piece there. As you can see, it's all clear here. So definitely looks like a bulb that's been on for almost 3,000 hours. So let's get the brand new bulb in. So as you can see, that little power port here, that's where you're going to want to, so that'll help you orient the lamp when you put it back in, the power port there. So you're going to want to make sure that it's aligned correctly. So let's put it in. I got the lamp in the right orientation. I'm going to just slide it back in and just push it into place there. So do the same thing in reverse, but yeah, screw in the screws that are built into there. There you go. So let's screw it. All right, there's one screw and the other one. Finally, you're going to want to just screw the panel back in and then you can plug in the power again. So I'm done here. You should expect to have to realign, do some alignment with the screen again because from all the jostling and stuff, it's just going to move the mount mechanism a bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. So let's turn it on. So it worked. I got a screen, so that's good news. So I'm going to go ahead and reset you're going to want to reset the timer. Your reset lamp hours. So yep, all right, so let's go back into info and you'll see 0 lamp hours because it's a brand new lamp. So yeah, that's it. So this is me a couple of weeks later after dealing with my projector bulb installation, and I kind of came away with a few takeaways. Number one, buy the original part. You know, in this case, I bought this. This is an Epson. This is an Epson bulb. Tried to save some money, but it didn't work out. Again, first like third-party bulb that I bought produced such an intense smell in my room that I had to open the door to just finish my movie, and the smell wasn't going anywhere. I'd used that bulb for like over 10 hours, about 9 or 10 hours, and there was still a smell. So I called and they sent me another one. I only had to have that. I had that one on for like an hour or two. I used it for about 2 hours, still a ton of smell. So I sent it back. Again, this is like a burning smell. Smelled like almost like burning plastic, almost something like that. So I send it back, and then I'm like, screw it. I'm just gonna buy. I buy the Epson. There was initially a smell for 30 minutes or so, but it was like 10% of the smell of the third-party bulb, and after about an hour, it was gone. No more smell at all in this room. So it smelled this. So whatever it was burning off or something, it just went away completely, which is great. Just to reiterate, just buy the original bulb. I know in some cases if you have an older projector, maybe you can't buy the original bulb, and it's actually great that a third party at least offers something, and it's very possible that smell might have gone away eventually. But again, I didn't want to wait. I wanted, it was pretty intense, the smell. So, but yeah, nothing against the third parties. It could have been it just could have been a bad run of bulbs. Again, I did experience the same smell with 2 bulbs, and I'm not going to mention what third party it was. I guess on a positive note, I got really good at changing the light bulb. I can like get it done in like less than 2 minutes now, so it is pretty easy to do once you've done it. In my case, I did it like 5 times in this process. So, but yeah, new bulb's in, and it's great. And still got the old one, which has about 1,000 hours left on it in life. So I got it as a spare. So. But yeah, if you have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments. I know this is kind of a boring instructional video, but happy to answer them if you have any questions. Really great if you can give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. It would really help a lot. And I'll see you in the next one.